Okay, this is the explanation video for the first part of the Unicorn Genetics Lab. We are going to talk about genotyping the male and females. Okay, so we're going to use our answer sheet. Okay, on this answer sheet, we wanted to point out that the male has no dots and the female has dots. Also, for the green chromosome here, you don't need anything. So I'm just filling this in because it was not done yet. So we have our paper filled in. We are going to start with number 6 and using our sticks that we were given. These represent the chromosomes, and then on each chromosome are the alleles. So we want to find dots and no dots. We want to separate them. So the ones with the dots are female, and the ones without the dots are male. Okay, and they should go in the order purple, green, blue, purple, green, yellow. Okay, and what we're going to do is take these one at a time, and we're going to fill out for each one. So first we're going to start with the male. So I'm going to get rid of the female for a second, and I'm going to get out my answer sheet. And what I'm going to do is, okay, that's better. What we're going to do is write down, just for the purple chromosome, we're going to write down the karyotype, or I'm sorry, we're going to write down the genotype. So we're going to do this side and then this side. So we're going to write big W, and then flip it over, little w for wings. And remember, this is no dots. Then we're going to do the horn tail length, which is little w, little w. See how it's right here? And then I have little a, and on this side I have a little a. Okay? Then I have coat color, capital C, lowercase c. Then I'm going to put that one down. I'm going to grab the green one, and I'm going to go in order because for the green chromosome, it goes in order of sparkliness, color, and coat. So I have capital S and capital S. Then I have big T, little t. Then I have big F, little f. And I'm going to try to put the capital letter first. That's typically how we list it. Now for this one, this is the sex chromosome. So this is blue, it means it's male. And on this sex chromosome, we have two sides. So this one has a capital M and a capital R. It could have a capital M or a lowercase r, but in this case, we know that the rainbow on back is the R. So we're just going to write the letter R here. Okay, and then down here, we're just going to write the letter M for male. And how did I know all of this? So we can put that aside, okay, for the male. And we can look at our packet, and on the back page of our packet is a list of all of these traits. So I know that if my male has WW right here, big W, little w, it has wings because that's dominant. And then I know that little l means it has a short horn and tail. Okay, little a is not on here. Okay, but no fur pigment, completely white, including no spots. Now down here, there's a little asterisk, and it says if unicorn AA is AA and therefore unable to make fur pigment, it will have a white coat and it will not have any spots no matter what the alleles it has for the coat color and spots genes. So for AA it is white with no spots. And big C, little c is dark pink coat, but I am going to cross that off because it is AA, because that says that gene overrides the color gene. Then I'm going to go down to capital S, lowercase s, so capital S, which means the horn can sparkle. Big T, little t, it says see below, so right here, big T, little t is yellow and purple striped. Yellow, purple striped. Tail and mane. And then big F, little f has some spots on coat, but that's canceled out because right here it says if unicorn is AA, it does not have any spots. Okay, and this unicorn is AA, little a, little a. Okay, so for R, the phenotype is it has a rainbow on the back. And M means it's male and has a beard. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to put this code away, and you're going to put your male sticks away, and you're going to grab your female sticks, and you're going to do the same process. Okay, so we're going to look at the purple chromosome again. I'll probably do it this way. So I will put this like this, and I am going to look at my purple chromosome, and I have a big W, little w. And I have a little l, little l. And I have a big A, little a. And I have 2 little c's. Okay? And then you can do the same thing with your green. I have a little s and a little s. I have a big T and a little t. And then I have a big F and a little f. And then down here at the bottom, for my female can't have a beard. So we're going to cross that off. And it can't be a male because it's yellow. The sex chromosome is yellow. So the sex chromosome says capital R, little r. And what we can do now is take a look at our genome again. And according to this unicorn genome, we have wings. We have a short horn and tail. We have normal fur pigment. And we have a light pink coat. Little s is the horn cannot sparkle. Big T, little t is yellow and purple striped. Tail and mane. And big F, little f is some spots on coat. It says to draw 5. Some spots on coat. And draw 5. So only 5 spots. And then big R, little r has a rainbow on back because big R is dominant. Okay, so now you are done with page 1 of your lab.